Hi and welcome to the Beae website builder. In this video, I will tell you about the related element on the Beae website builder's page. So as soon as you guys come onto the dashboard of the Beae website builder, this is the dashboard that you guys see. So now from over here, simply drag and drop the related feature over here. As soon as you guys do that, on the right side, you guys are going to have all of these options come up. You guys have the option to change up the layout style to a slider, or for it to be a grid option like it was previously. And then below that, you have the option to show products that are available only, or to show just all of them. Then of course, you guys can also change up the heading as well. You guys can even choose the number of products that you guys want to display. You guys can also put in custom number over here. So let's say if you have 100 products, you guys can choose 100 products over here as well. Although I would not advise that because that's going to be a lot of products. Then below that, you have the option for a product card. You guys can add in various different attributes to this particular product card if you guys want to. By stock, it has title and price only, but of course you guys can add anything else as well. Then below that, you have the option for slider settings. So in the slider settings, you guys have the option for infinity loop. You also have the option for autoplay as well. You also have the options to change up the maximum items per row. So right now we are seeing only 4 products, but you guys can increase the number of products that you guys can see in one row by simply dragging this particular slider. Then you have the option for spacing over here too, if you want to increase the space or if you want to just decrease the space. Then you have the option for design as well. You guys can change up the slider to be many different things. Then you have the option for transition as well. You guys can choose whichever transition you guys would like. Then of course, at the end, you have the option to change up the text as well once you guys have products over here. And also you guys can use presets if you have any. Then up top, you have the option for style, and in this particular option, you guys can change up the background, you guys can change up the box shadow, you guys can change up the border color as well, all by clicking on these buttons over here. And then on the right side, you guys also have the option to basically show products by simply hovering on them or by simply clicking on them. So guys, this was the related feature on the Beae website builder. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.
We'll be right back.